all you beautiful ladies out there who are pregnant, who are planning to conceive, or have been pregnant. How many of you have had this thought or have heard this from somebody that exercising is bad during pregnancy? That exercising during pregnancy can harm your baby, can lead to a miscarriage or a preterm delivery. And how many of you have got this line? अरे इतना एक्सरसाइज करेगी तो तेरा बच्चा भी दुबला और पतला पैदा होगा. Hello everybody, this is She the People TV and I am Dr. Tirtha Shetty. You also know me as the fervid gynecologist on Instagram. I am here today to talk about exercise during pregnancy, the do's and the don'ts. Coming to the don'ts, the only don't here is when your doctor has advised you to not exercise. The key word here is an uncomplicated pregnancy. In certain conditions, such as a short cervix, when your placenta is low lying, or if your pregnancy is a high risk pregnancy, your doctor might ask you to avoid exercise, and that is when you should not exercise during pregnancy. The do's. Any form of exercise is better than no exercise at all. Ideally, 150 minutes per week, that is 30 minutes per day, for 5 days in a week is what you should aim for. However, even 10 minutes of exercise per day will suffice. For a beginner, even 5 minutes of exercise per day will also be helpful. Why should you exercise? Number one, it may help relieve your backache, which may be present as your pregnancy progresses. It helps relieve constipation, which makes you happy because it releases endorphins. It can help you achieve a healthy weight gain, and it improves your overall fitness. Which are the exercises that you can do during pregnancy? If you were exercising before pregnancy, with your doctor's approval, you can continue doing the same even during pregnancy. Otherwise, the other exercises that you can do are walking, swimming, yoga, and Pilates under supervision, and static cycling. What should you keep in mind while exercising? Number one, wear comfortable clothes when you exercise. Number two, wear well-fitted shoes for better balance. Number three, stay hydrated. Number four, if you feel dizzy or you feel uncomfortable during exercise, please discontinue and consult your gynecologist regarding the same. And most importantly, please do not try anything new during pregnancy. Do not do exercises which you are unfamiliar with to avoid injury. And last but not the least, always keep your doctor in the loop. Stay safe, stay healthy.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos by us.